This is one of our barn finds. The car has been sitting since, if you look at the window sticker, the car has actually been sitting since the mid-70s was the last time it passed inspection. Unfortunately, we did do a check on the car, and the car does have a bad motor. The motor is locked up. It could have locked up just from sitting for a while. We're going to offer for sale if anybody's interested the way it is. We can sell it the way it is, or we can actually rebuild it for you guys if you want. I'll show you a little quick interior pic here of it. It's got really nice, clean interiors. It's a factory 4-speed car, and it's a factory AC car. I'm gonna pop the hood over here so you can see inside the hood. It's a small block car. Really, really clean body. I'm gonna take a little walk around here. I do have the other mag wheels for it, in case you want to match up the factory mag wheels, and it does have the side pipes on it. You can purchase it as is.